In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Walmart to Shopify. This process is essential for those of you running an online store on Shopify and looking to expand your reach by tapping into the vast customer base of Walmart. So, if you're ready to streamline your operations and boost your sales, keep on watching as we walk through this step by step. First, let's ensure that you have both a Walmart seller account and a Shopify store set up. Without these, you're not going to get very far. If you don't have them set up yet, pause this video and take care of that first. Assuming you do have those ready, let's dive in. Head on over to your Shopify admin. Once there, you'll need to navigate to the Apps section on your dashboard. In the search bar, type in Walmart to find apps that facilitate this integration. You'll want to look for an app that specifically mentions integration with Walmart. There are several options, but a popular choice is one of the third-party solutions designed for Shopify integration. These apps generally provide solid features that enable smooth functionality between your store and Walmart. Click on the app you choose, and install it into your Shopify account. During installation, you might be prompted to provide some basic information about your Walmart store, so be ready to log into your Walmart seller account. Once installed, open the app. You'll now need to configure its settings to ensure everything is ready for syncing. Go through each setting carefully, taking note of important options like inventory sync, order routing, and automated pricing. These are critical to maintaining an accurate representation of your Shopify store on Walmart. Next, you'll need to authenticate the connection between Shopify and Walmart. In the app, there should be an option for account linking or API settings. Click on that, and you'll have to enter your API credentials from Walmart. These credentials can be found in your Walmart seller account dashboard under the API settings section. Once you've entered the necessary information, test the connection to confirm that the integration is successful. If there are any errors, double-check that the credentials are correct and that the app you are using is fully compatible with your versions. After the connection is authenticated, you're able to start selecting which products you'd like to list on Walmart. Go through the product listing tool, and select the items you want to export. It's crucial at this point to ensure that product data like descriptions, prices, and images are all up to date, as this information will be synced to Walmart. Now with the products selected, initiate the synchronization. Depending on the number of products and your internet speed, this syncing process might take a few minutes. Be patient and wait for the confirmation message. Once it's complete, all chosen products should be live on Walmart's marketplace. Lastly, keep in mind that ongoing maintenance is necessary. Regularly check inventory levels, prices, and product details to prevent discrepancies between your Shopify store and Walmart listings. This way, you can ensure a seamless experience for your customers on both platforms. And that wraps it up. You've successfully connected Walmart to your Shopify store. By extending your store to Walmart's expansive marketplace, you're now poised to reach new clientele and grow your business substantially. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!